Hi everyone, if you need to find your Firebase API key, you can locate it directly through your project settings. Here's how to get an API key in Firebase step by step. First, open Google Chrome on your computer and search for Firebase. From the search results, click on the first link to open the official Firebase website. Once the Firebase website is open, look at the top right corner and click Go to Console. You'll now be taken to the Firebase console. From here, select any project you want to access. After opening your project, look at the menu on the left side and click Settings. Next, select General from the Settings options. Once the General Settings page opens, look through the project information. Here, you can find the API key for your Firebase project. And that's how to get an API key in Firebase. If this guide helped you find what you were looking for, give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.